welcome to my channel, and I am very happy with all of you, and I'm very happy because my first video was supported and liked by you all guys. You all supported me and it crossed more than 100 views on YouTube. Thank you so much, and it got likes and comments and subscribers. My subscribers are growing more and more. Thank you so much guys. So I came back to you all with my second video. This is gonna be based on sunset and a bird drawing, a bird on a branch like of something that, and this drawing was given me by one of you only, so I liked it, so I'm going to do this. And so let's see what is the drawing and what is the drawing. So this is the painting that I'm going to show you all in this part of my video, and this is a sunset painting with a bird on a branch. So let's see how to make it and what are the materials needed in this painting. I'll give you in the description box. So let's start. So first we'll do a rough sketch of the drawing and painting, and now we'll do the sun. So now our sun is being ready and it's drying. So you also let your sun dry for a while. So after drying the sun, we are going to do the sky. So now we are doing the sky with the red color. A little portion we will do red, then we are going to do orange. So let's do red. brush of size 1 or the brush of size 0. The black paint should be a little thick. We shouldn't add too much of water in it. The bird is gonna be ready.